Hey everybody, J&A Reviews, and today we're at KZRV right here in Shipshewana, Indiana. And today we're going to take a look at this 2027 KZ Durango Gold, model number 384 MSQ. So let's get started. The length on this KZ Durango Gold is 42 feet 3 inches. The dry weight is 14,720 with a hitch weight of 2,950. GVWR of 17,500 pounds. Now before I get started, the awnings on these are 15 and 11 foot. Woo, these Durango Golds. Right up front, let's look under this storage. Again, KZ has went to these little access so you can access some stuff back there. You've got your power USB right there. Of course, you can see your power reel and this MORryde pull-out tray. And of course, it will pull out on this side and or the other side, and this comes standard. That's right, comes standard on the Durango Golds now. So that is okay. Solar controller, your batteries will go right there. You've got the MORryde hitch, pin box right there. Let's see, these are closed. Yes, you've got, you can put a generator in right there, and this should be where, yeah, your hydraulic lines and stuff are. All right. Let me take a look here. Man, these golds are fantastic. They're absolutely beautiful. If you've never seen a Durango Gold or even Durango, go check these out. Schwintek slide there on the front, rack and pinion back here. Your auto leveling is right there. Your 2 propane bottles are right there. Again, hit the button, pull it out over here. That is fantastic. I want one of these myself. And your water filters are right there. Your docking bay is right here. There's your electric dump valves, water hookups, tankless water heater, dump area right here. Again, MORryde. Again, Kurt hitch, Kurt suspension right there. And this is 6-point hydraulic leveling. Again, frameless windows. These are like the Cadillac for KZ. On the back, they do have the pull-out tray here. It is prepped for a backup camera, and you have a walkable ladder to get up on the roof. Again, rack and pinion slide. And then, of course, with Durango Gold, you're basically going to get 3 TVs. Bedroom, living room, and one here on the outside. Looks to be about a 32-inch. All right, let's get in here. We got some more good stuff to talk about. Woo! Yep. Again, your table, there's 2 extra chairs, going to be back in the back. Your theater seating, sitting right across, is your entertainment. Your big couch at the back. These are 101 wide. Might as well point that out. And very, very tall. Storage all the way across the top. Up here. Big window back here in the back. I love these little lights here on the side. Let's see. We do have flip up storage here on each side of the couch. And something new I think they've started is this area back behind the storage, back behind the TV. And this is really cool. They give you these little drawers back here. Add some stuff into. That's really nice. Even soft clothes. You do have a power back here. Wow. That is absolutely sharp. TV looks to be like a 60, 65. And your fireplace. Oh, this beautiful kitchen. And the TV is a 50-inch. And in the beautiful kitchen. Start opening up. Oh, of course, solid surface countertops. You got all of these cabinets here. These cabinets down here with the pull-out trays. Soft clothes. And of course, the big oven and 4 burners there on top. Spot here above the microwave, which is a convection microwave, air fryer. Nice storage here. Let's take a look. Yep, big oven. And your pull-out garbage can. And there's your cutting board right there. Really, really nice. All right, on this island now, nice stainless steel sink. Of course, solid surface. Power right there. Hey, look. Towel holder. Paper towel holder. And drawer here. And another drawer down here. There's your water filters. Spot under the sink. There's your inserts. Oh, your plumbing right there. And of course, Durango Gold gives you the bigger dishwasher. Whew. And a huge LG fridge right here. And a pull-out freezer. Whew. Now, we're still not done with this kitchen. We've got a spot there, cabinet above the fridge. And let's open up all this up here. You've got up here on, goodness gracious, you'll have to have a step stool to get in here. Here's your pantry right below it, and the shelves are adjustable all the way to the floor. You've got the little hooks here on the side. And this one right here. Oh, wow. Got like my water rack, the wine rack. You got these little shelves in here. And then, of course, your maintenance schedule. There's your start, stop with your generator, if you have it on board. Your Xantrax controller, Victron. And you've got this solid surface in here. Probably put your Keurig in here. Oh, wow. Put your little wine glasses in here. All right. And then your fuses were down there, and you still have a cabinet up above that. Oh, wow. All right, everybody, let me back up a little bit. That is a really cool light fixture. These have 3 ACs on it, and all 3 are whisper quiet. There's the returns. Again, all your controls are right there. Bathroom. Double vanity and porcelain foot flush toilet. These are really, really cool. Hit the KZ. The lights on the mirrors come on. Solid surface in here again. We have drawers, cabinets, all that storage down below. And the last one. shower. The shower is a 30 by 46 shower. All one Encore one piece. And you have a skylight. The pantry area, the linen storage right here on the side. Really nice storage. And yes, this would definitely get the golden plunger. Heating there in the floor. New for 2027 on this model, it does come with your washer and dryer. Yes, right, it does. It comes with it. This is an awesome little section right here. Storage right there. You got solid surface here. Little cabinet and a place there to hang clothes when you do laundry. Power right back there. And on this side, yep, comes with the washer and dryer. That is so cool. Storage drawer right here, and one right here by the bed. Whew. These bed, it is a king size, and of course it is on that tilt. Right now it is tilted up just a little bit. There's your heating vent, and you've got all this storage with another TV, like a 32-inch out here or in the bedroom. Drawer, fireplace, drawer, and a drawer. And in the closet area, you got your clothes rack. You got all that hanging storage right there. And then these actually pull out. These little baskets here. I like that. I know what Amanda would do. She'd put all her shoes in that. And you also have a hamper that pulls out. Nice storage over here. There's your power USB on this side with a motion light. And if I can shut these are 3 mirrored doors. And then on this side, there's your other stools. And of course, bunge them down. You've still got a hanging bar here to hang more stuff, more clothes. Wow. What do you think about this 27 Durango Gold? A lot of great features, a lot of stuff that comes with it. Well, like I said, there's your third AC Whisper Quiet. All right, everybody. What do you think about all this Durango Gold? Very, very beautiful unit. And a big thanks to KZ for allowing me to be here. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us. Give us that thumbs up. Subscribe. You never know where we'll be next. But thanks, everybody.